Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace a lamp holder in this Frigidaire Range Vent Hood, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a small awl. Before you begin the procedure, be sure to turn off the power supply to the hood. Pull the right side lever down to release the grease filter. Rotate the bulb counterclockwise to release it from the holder you're replacing. Now rotate the lamp holder assembly to release it from the hood. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 4 screws holding the lamp holder assembly together. Note the location of the wires, then use the small awl to depress the retaining tabs to release the wires from the old holder. To install the new lamp holder, insert the wires into the appropriate holes in the holder until they lock into place. Position the holder in the housing. Align the pins in the cover with the holes in the holder and thread the 4 screws to secure. Align the assembly with the hole in the hood and rotate to lock it into position. Insert the light bulb terminals into the holder and rotate clockwise. Reinstall the grease filter by aligning the left side tabs with the slots in the hood. Then pull the lever to align the right side. Turn the power supply back on, and the range vent hood should be ready for use.